Welcome to another exciting episode in the world of enterprise software. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we will delve into the realm of enterprise asset management, or EAM, and computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS. Stick around and you'll learn key differences between these two types of software and which situations they are best suited for. We'll also take a look at UpKeep's platform and how it can help streamline your maintenance workflow. Let's get started. So, let's dive into the world of enterprise asset management, or EAM, and computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS. These two types of software may seem similar, but they have some key differences that make them suitable for different situations. So, what exactly is a CMMS? Well, think of it as a supercharged maintenance log. It records and categorizes data on maintenance tasks performed on a facility's assets. It keeps track of who performs maintenance and when, as well as things like unplanned downtime events, work orders, and asset status. Here's a way to visualize it. A CMMS is like heartbeat monitoring equipment for your facility. It keeps an eye on the pulse of your assets, alerting maintenance technicians when they are needed to fix something or perform preventive maintenance. But when a facility becomes too large for a CMMS to adequately cover every asset, that's when an EAM comes into play, due to the vast number of factors it can track. And if you're wondering, yes, UpKeep is one of the many CMMS platforms for maintenance and facilities looking to better manage their maintenance workflow. Now, let's talk about EAM. Unlike a CMMS, which primarily oversees work orders and maintenance work, EAM software is capable of tracking things like warranties, the overall depreciation of assets, and the eventual decommissioning of equipment. To continue our health metaphor, an EAM would be like a computer system that tracks every vital sign, medication, and body fluctuation of a patient from their entry to the hospital to the moment they leave. So while a CMMS gives you a good idea of how your assets are doing right now, an EAM tracks the entire life cycle of every piece of equipment you own, from the second it's purchased to the moment it becomes scrap. EAM systems also boast a much more robust catalog of features, including things like financial audits, lockout-tagout procedures, and in-depth maintenance records and histories for decommissioned equipment. So, which one is right for your facility? Well, that ultimately depends on your organization's needs. A CMMS will be the right choice for most small and medium-sized facilities, while an EAM will prove its worth in massive, sprawling factories with a huge number of assets. Remember, the key is to choose the system that best fits your needs and helps your maintenance and operations teams to be more successful. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored EAM and CMMS, two types of software that can help streamline your maintenance workflow. Remember, the right choice depends on your organization's needs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We have plenty of resources to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful.